Hello everyone and welcome to the webinar on CSIR UGC NET Chemical Sciences. I have specially done this recording for those candidates who had registered but were not able to attend the webinar on the 4th of February. I am Dr. Bhavani Narayan and today I will be discussing with you some tips to clear this exam. So let me tell you what I'll be discussing in this seminar. The table of contents for today's discussion is: first, I would tell you how to prepare your mind to succeed. I'll tell you the options that will open up before you after clearing the exam, the pattern of the question paper. I have also done a detailed syllabus analysis which I'll be discussing with you. Some tips from my side to answer the exam, how to enhance your strength and work on your weaknesses. And students always ask me how much to study and how to prepare. I'll also tell you about this. So moving on to the first point, as we all know, a powerful mindset is needed to overcome any challenge. So the mind is a powerful force. It can enslave us or empower us. It can plunge us into the depths of misery or take us to the heights of ecstasy. We should learn to use the power wisely. Therefore, the first step in preparing for any exam is to prepare the mind. For a life-changing exam such as CSIR UGC NET, you need a powerful mindset. You have to train your mind to visualize success and work towards it. You should say to yourself, I can, and it will happen. Learn to believe in yourself. What are the career options that will open up in front of you after clearing the exam? So the first thing is you will be able to do a PhD with a fellowship. So you'll get JRF or SRF, which is Junior or Senior Research Fellowship. So the Junior Research Fellowship is rupees 31,000 for the first 2 years and rupees 35,000 for the remaining years during your PhD, plus you are entitled to an annual contingency. There's a special fellowship for the top 10 rankers that is called Shyama Prasad Mukherjee's Fellowship, which is 36,000 for the first 2 years and rupees 42,000 for the remaining years. The contingency for SPM fellows is also high, that is rupees 70,000. If you clear this exam, suppose you do not land up in getting JRF, you can also clear the exam and are entitled to become a lecturer anywhere in India. So now this enables an individual to be eligible to apply for chemistry lecturership jobs all across India. You can expect a salary between 50k and 1.5 lakh per annum. You can also apply for assistant professor jobs across India in the Indian colleges. So universities and most of the colleges require NET qualified candidates. So therefore you can understand that after MSc, the best shot is to clear NET to get any suitable job of your choice. Some institutions may intake you without clearing this exam, but they will have a mandate of you clearing NET or SET within 2 years from the date of appointment. Now let me tell you some exam facts. How is the exam? What is the exam about? What is the pattern of the question paper? So let us look at the question paper pattern. Now there will be 3 parts to the question paper. Part A has 20 questions of 2 marks each. This pertains to general science, quantitative reasoning, analysis and research aptitude. You are required to do any 15 questions from here. The total marks allotted is 30 out of 200. Part B, you have 40 multiple choice questions, MCQs of 2 marks each, covering the topics given in the syllabus. So this will be chemistry related questions for chemical sciences. Any 35 questions are required. The total marks allotted is 70 out of 200. Part C has 60 analytical questions of 4 marks each. You are required to do any 25 questions. The total marks is 100 out of 200. You know the biggest challenge in any competitive exam is negative marking. So CSIR also has a negative marking of 25% for each wrong answer. So you should do these answers really carefully. Going on to the weightage of topics, I have done this myself for you. So if I go to inorganic chemistry topic wise analysis, you can see that organometallic compounds and transition elements have the highest weightage. So as you can see in the graph, transition elements and organometallic compounds take up around 15% of the weightage each. Remaining chemical periodicity, structure and bonding, acid, bases and solvents have lesser weightage than that. So you must concentrate on these topics in inorganic chemistry. Coming to the physical chemistry syllabus, if we do a topic-wise analysis, 4 topics are very important, which is quantum chemistry, chemical kinetics, thermodynamics and molecular spectroscopy. Coming to the organic chemistry syllabus, here the distribution is again a little bit higher on these 3 topics. Named reactions, organic transformations and pericyclic reactions contribute around 14, that is around 42%. So you have to concentrate on these 3 topics. The previous slide, those 4 topics made up around 56%, and here these 3 topics make about 42% of the total thing. So you can see that remaining topics like asymmetric synthesis, heterocyclic compounds, all these carry around 8% weightage. Even you have organic reaction mechanisms which carries around 12% weightage, but the maximum effort you have to put in named reactions, organic transformations and pericyclic reactions. Let's go to the next slide, which talks about cutoff percentages. Now, I have analyzed over a few last years. For the junior senior research fellowship, for the general category, the cutoff is 55%. For the economically weaker sections, it is 50%. For the OBCs, it is 48%. For SCs, it is 40%. STs, it is 30%, and PWD, it is 25%. While for lecturership, generally the cutoffs are little low. For the general category, it is 50%. EWS 46, OBC 43%, and so on it follows. So it's not impossible to clear them because the cutoffs are not really as high as 70 or 80%, it is much lower. Now let me give you some tips to crack the exam. Many of the students say that this is a very difficult thing, but believe me, it is not difficult if you go slow and steady. So I believe in this line called slow and steady wins the race. How to prepare? So step 1, prepare topic by topic. You must solve old question papers for this. Step 2, understand your strengths and weaknesses. Some students might be good in organic chemistry, some might be good in physical chemistry and so on. So you must understand what are you good at, and accordingly you should enhance your strengths and also work on your weaknesses. Step 3, now how to know that which topic are you strong in or which topic are you weak in or which topic do you have aptitude for. I would say don't prepare anything and take an old question paper and solve it. So if you do that, you analyze what you have attempted most. The topic which you have attempted most is the topic of your greatest aptitude. So you definitely have an aptitude to that topic and you must concentrate on it. Coming to step 4, you prepare the highest attempted rigorously. So definitely you are good at that, you have an aptitude to that, you must prepare this topic rigorously. The next highest, prepare 60 to 70% of the topics. The next highest, you prepare 40 to 50% of the topics. Step 5, you must undergo periodic mock tests and keep analyzing them. You must observe the improvement that you have in these exams. So when I was a student, I did all this. So let me tell you a little bit of my story as a student. So when I was studying in university, I used to only do short time studies which were really focused. Usually I used to have discussions with my friends. They were weak in some subjects and I was strong in that, and they were good at some subjects and I had to discuss with them to become better. So we taught each other. Mostly I taught them quantum chemistry and group theory and all that, and refreshed my capabilities and my topics. So when you teach others, you definitely make your basics strong. My teachers were excellent, so I have learned from excellent teachers. Definitely you have to refer a lot of books which subject you to different examples and different problems. So you have to do that, and you have to practice writing and learning things. So example, in organic chemistry, many times we keep forgetting the reactions. The best way is to write and learn. You have to solve as many problems as possible to clear this exam. So I could clear all the competitive exams, whether it was GATE or NET, at the first attempt and could get a JRF. So this is the best time that you can clear. When you are in MSc, start preparing. Many students tell me that they would take a break and then prepare. I would say that's not suggested. The best time is now. I had my challenges as a student, but now to help you all, I am introducing Vriksh, where I can help you clear this exam. Now, Vriksh is an exclusive dedicated platform for CSIR UGC NET Chemical Sciences. The website here is www.vrikshonline.in. You can scan this QR code to go to the website, and I am introducing this just to help my students. How is Vriksh going to help you achieve all these things? Let me tell you that in Vriksh we learn with a difference. So I have planned exclusive online personalized classes where you will be attending the classes and individual attention would be given to every student, and sincere attempt will be made to help the student improve with every passing day. We will do the online classes the right way. Now you may have done many online classes during COVID times where teachers just show PPT and don't explain anything. I would not do that. I would try to explain it properly. Strengthening basic concepts. So we will try to focus on the basics that you are weak in. So we will do it the right way, and we will have regular classes, tests and exercises. You will definitely improve on that. So Vriksh will charge you very low compared to all other coaching centers. Also, we have a fee waiver to the topper of monthly exam for the next month. Furthermore, we have introduced pre-booked doubt clearing sessions where you can clear some doubts, like one-to-one doubt sessions you can book easily. This you can do even without enrolling to the plans of Vriksh. We have online test series. So if you think you don't need online classes, we have computer-based test series to gauge your improvement. Contact details, email is vrikshonline@gmail.com. So definitely contact me if you would like to join this. The classes will begin in April. So please go through the video that I am posting regarding Vriksh details as well. If you have any questions, please raise your hand or type in the chat. Now this was for the live webinar. If you have any questions, please do email me. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in Vriksh, and I hope to see you clear CSIR UGC NET. I hope this webinar was useful for you.